Sit around a table on Sunday night, Paul, Storage and Cameron, Don, Guga, Vicky and Tomash, drinking like there is no tomorrow because tomorrow doesn't belong here. Paul sitting next to me, loving the tunes, head nodding slow, locked into the groove. Stojan loves the bass and the drums, feels it in the chest, not the ears, not the lungs.
Cameron, a brother of mine, supports and parties, no questions asked, just there when it's gnarly. Don, Guga talks less, listens more, prison in the voice, wisdom on the floor. Vicky at the table, young guy, sharp look, she reads the room better than any book. Thomas from Church, crazy, awesome, wild energy, breaking the calm, unstoppable.
Glasses clink, ashtray fills, time slows down but the drinks still kill. Monday blue is for Monday, today is Sunday. We stretch the weekend to the max, pull it by the throat till it fights back. No plans, no promises, no clean escape, just sound, just noise, just sweat on the face, birds of a feather. On the weekend only, same circles, same jokes, never lonely, but never safe.
Sunday night burns quiet and deep, names stay loud while the city sleeps. Tomorrow waits cold and rude, but tonight belongs to the bass and the blues.